how to add to highlights without adding to story. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you need to do is to simply add something to your story. So this is going to be quick. So what you want to do is just simply add an image that you want to add to your story. So for example, I'll just add this image right here that I just took a photo right now. So I'll just click on add to story. So once it's done uploading, you have to quickly do something. So once it's done uploading, just click on these three dots right here on the bottom right corner, and then just simply click on highlight. Afterwards, just simply click or name your highlight. So I'll just name it highlight, click on add, and there you go, we now have our highlight. So after adding your highlight, what you can do now is to just simply archive your story. So just archive your story right there, and then there you go. As you can see that we don't have a story right now in our Instagram, but when I go to my profile right here, it will now be added to your highlight. So yeah, that's the only option that you can do right now. So you have to do this quickly so that no one from your followers will be able to see your story. And then make sure that you're only sharing the story on Instagram, because you can only archive stories if the story is not shared on Facebook. So make sure to only share it to Instagram and not both at the same time. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add to highlights without adding to story.